Do you think artificial intelligence is too expensive or complicated for your business? Or that it's going to put you out of a job? Well, today, I'm going to debunk the 3 myths about AI that are ruining thousands of businesses, and I'm going to show you how you can use it to dominate your market. The world is flooded with news about AI. We see terrifying headlines about the end of humanity, job replacement, and the power of large corporations. And it's easy to feel overwhelmed and decide to do nothing. Many entrepreneurs and small business owners fall into the trap of these myths. And because of fear or misinformation, they lose the opportunity to grow and be more competitive. But the truth is that AI is not a monster. It's a tool, and you're either using it wrong or not using it at all. Let's dismantle these myths one by one. Myth number 1. AI is only for giant companies like Google or Microsoft. Many people think that implementing AI requires a multi-million-dollar budget, but that's a total lie. Today, there are hundreds of accessible and affordable AI tools. You can automate marketing tasks, customer service, or even content creation with platforms that have free or very affordable plans. You don't need a team of software engineers, you just need to know which tool to use. The European Commission's AI office is working on policies for reliable, ethical, and human-centered AI. This shows that AI is not a private club for Silicon Valley, but a global issue. The use of AI in public services has been shown to improve efficiency and quality. If governments can use it, so can you. McKinsey & Company and Accenture have already highlighted how AI can transform business models and create new sources of value in all sectors, not just high-tech ones. According to the World Economic Forum, the future of work will be 50% task automation, but the remaining 50% will still be human. Which means there will be more time to innovate instead of automating boring tasks. Myth number 2. AI is going to steal my job. This is probably the biggest and most widespread fear. AI isn't here to replace humans, it's here to enhance our skills. It's true that some routine tasks will disappear, but this will free up time for you to focus on strategic thinking and creativity. In fact, 2025 is expected to be a key year where companies focus on training their employees in AI instead of replacing them. The key is to learn how to collaborate with AI, not compete with it. A PwC study indicates that more than 70% of employees who use AI in their work report positive benefits. Think of it as a luxury personal assistant. AI can take care of data collection and analysis while you focus on crucial business decisions. Even the World Bank is using it to improve governance and the efficiency of public services. This shows that instead of a replacement, AI is an optimization tool. Myth number 3. AI is too complicated and requires advanced technical knowledge. This myth is directly related to ICT literacy. You don't need to be a programmer to use AI. Most modern AI tools have intuitive and user-friendly interfaces. They are built so that anyone can use them. The real challenge isn't the technology, but your willingness to learn and adapt. The companies that are already adopting AI aren't hiring geniuses, but curious people who are open to change. The accelerated adoption of generative AI, as Goldman Sachs highlights, is driving a wave of innovation in all industries. Business leaders agree that AI will have a significant impact on the competitiveness of companies in the next 1 to 3 years. Additionally, MIT studies show that continuous training in digital skills is the key to not being left behind in the job market. The Gartner report on AI implementation indicates that companies that outperform their competitors in AI adoption are those that prioritize training their teams. So, is the problem the technology, or is it the lack of willingness to train? The real secret is that AI is not a destination. It's a process. The misinformation you see in the news, that irrational fear, is what keeps you stagnant. The lack of global regulation in AI creates uncertainty. This, coupled with sensationalism, paralyzes you. But while you stand still, Your competition is already using these tools to optimize their operations. The real tragedy is not that AI is bad, but that you don't use it and lose the advantage. Goldman Sachs's predictions suggest that AI could increase global GDP by 7 to 15%. Are you going to be left out? And that's how artificial intelligence is reshaping the world. To not just get a handle on these changes, but to get out in front and lead the way, be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications. Keep in mind, AI isn't the future, it's your next move in business. This was AI Business. We'll catch you in the next breakdown. If you found value in this video, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop your questions and comments below. Your engagement fuels our drive to keep creating high-value content for you. We'll see you in the next AI Business video.